Hey guys, this is Jason with Multiple Streams of Income with another tip on how to drive traffic to your YouTube account to become subscribers. It's very easy to do, and you can take this link, put it in social media. When somebody clicks on that link, it goes directly to your subscribe button on YouTube. And you can put this in eStage, you can put it on your Facebook page, you can put it anywhere you want, and it'll drive people directly to that link on your YouTube account. So let me show you how right now. Alright guys, I'm back and I'm going to show you how you can create your subscribe button and put it anywhere you want on your website, on your social media, anywhere basically, and people can go directly to your subscribe button. Before I get started, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification button because you're going to want to get notified whenever I put a new post out. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. You need to go to YouTube and get your channel and get your channel name. And so what you do is go to YouTube, click on your name up here, go to My Channel, okay? When you go into My Channel, this is your actual YouTube name. And if you see right here, I got a bunch of just gibberish information in there. It's because I don't have 1,000 people on my account yet. And when you don't have 1,000, you don't get to get a custom name yet. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so I can get 1,000 people on my account. Okay, so when you hit that, Control-C, just test it, make sure it works, and go over to another page, hit enter, and if it goes to your YouTube account, you know it's working. Okay, it does. Now here's the little trick. I have a little bit of code. I'm going to put it in the description below this video, but all you have to do is put your account name in front of this, and there it is. Now let's test this again. Control-C, go into another window, Control-V, and hit enter. Okay, instead of it going directly to your account, it pulls up your subscribe button. Pretty cool, huh? So I want to show you how you can create a button in eStage so that you can make it part of your website. So I'm going to go to my eStage. I'm actually in a page so I can test this. I'm in the classic mode or in the back-end mode. I'm going to go in here and create a button and say BUTTON. There's a button right there. And so let's configure this button. I really don't care what the text says there. I'm going to say my YouTube account. Okay, we're going to do all kinds of things. So you're going to click here. We're going to cut and paste that link that we did. I'm going to say open a new window because I never want people to leave my account. That's a little tip. You want to open it in a new tab, which will be another tab over here, and leave your site open on your site. Okay, so we're going to save that, and I want to make it a classic look. That's okay, and I don't care. Make it square. And I want to make this a blue button. I want to make the button a very large button. And I want to have an icon in my button. The left side, that's fine. And let's go pick the icon. And here's what's cool about this. You can do YouTube right here, and you can say, I want that icon to show up on my button. Okay, at that point, I'm done. So let's save that. There's my link, my button, and let's update this. And before I go in there, I want to put some padding on so you can see this. So let's put some padding in here. Right here, let's go into padding. Let's put another 25 up top and 25 on the bottom so you don't have a bunch of weird, it doesn't squish it all together. Okay, so I'm going to update this page again. And let's view the page. Okay, there's the button right there. It doesn't look that good. I need to do some more work on it. But when you click on the button, it didn't work. Okay, so let's edit this page and make this work. Okay, so I didn't do something right in here. Make sure I got this link correctly in here. That's the beauty of this thing. You've got to be able to make sure everything's working. Set. Okay, classic, square, blue, looks good. Alignment. I'm going to do center, and let's just do full width this time. Okay. Icon library, that's fine. Advanced, click on action. We don't need to do that. Okay, we're good, I think. And let's just go ahead and save this and update again. Okay, and let's go view it on my site. Okay, it looks like it's adding it to the very top up here, and that may be the problem. But when I click on it, it's going to my home page. That's because I've got it set up wrong, and I need to add a lot more padding. Let me edit this. And this is the cool thing. You're seeing all my little failures here, so that's okay, because when you run into this problem, you need to know how to fix it. And let's just add some padding here. Let's just add 100 in here. Add some more padding. I thought I did enough, but I didn't do, obviously, near enough. So, because I was clicking on the actual banner of my homepage. Okay, so now since I did that, let's view again. Okay, so now it's way down further. When I click on it, it's going to go to my YouTube account. And there's the subscribe button. Pretty cool, huh? So this is what it looks like, my button right there. I made it full width, but you could also go in there and change that full width and edit that. And you don't have to have it full width. It can be a lot smaller. And the way you do that was within here, take off the full width right there and save. Update and view your page. Okay, there's the button. Click on it and it'll open up a YouTube account just like that. Very cool. You can use this on your Facebook. You can do it on your eStage. And let me show you one other simple trick. Now, since I've got this link right here, why not make it a short link? Now go into ClickMagick and let's create a new funnel link, and let's call this my YouTube account. Okay, and I'm going to put this link right here, Control V, and we're going to say subscribe. Whoop. Subscribe. Okay, let's just do that. And then I'm going to create link. Okay. And now I go to my YouTube right here and copy this, and there's my short link. And if I go over here, put that short link in here and hit enter, that's the short link, and it's going to go directly to my YouTube account just like this. Oh, well, it went to my 4%. So maybe I did something wrong. ClickMagick, YouTube. Oh, there it is right there. I went to my YouTube funnel. Sorry guys, I should have went to my YouTube account. Well, that did work. I went to the wrong one. Trying to go too fast. I should slow down. Okay, and here we go. And there it is. That's a subscribe. All right, you saw a little bit of mistakes there, here and there, but let me tell you, that's how you learn how to build multiple streams of income, because we all make mistakes and click the wrong thing. And so go out and make mistakes and go have fun. And hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube account. I'm going to have all kinds of new videos out there, trying to doing one per day. If I don't, it'll be 3 or 4 per week. And it'll be helpful videos just like this one. All right, guys, have a great day. Go out and create multiple streams of income, and I'll see you on top. All right, bye-bye.